here today with the freaky dog. Just look at her. She hates cameras. So, you want to see the dog run? Okay, let's see if we can go find one for balls. Go find one for balls. Hazel! Hey!
We're locked out.
Oh, Hazel, why'd you lock us out?
We're freaking locked out.
Hazel! What's that? What's that? What's that? Hazel? What's that? Hey guys, this dog is barking. What the heck? What is she doing? Oh my gosh. What is it? What is it? Oh my gosh. Okay, this dog is out of control. She's also cute. Just look at this face. Look at this face. Aww. Aww, Hazel. Oh, she's so cute. Well, that's what I wanted to show you guys today. Freaky, but cute dog. Bye.